All right, my good learners. Last week we started looking at reduction, and I taught you my own ways of reducing, which would get you enough marks. Please don't waste time. Reduction is a good place to get marks. I don't know if you guys remembered what we did. I'll remind you again quickly. We said we used the head nod and the head shake. I don't know if you guys remember that you nod your head for 90 and 270, which means I change from sine to cos, cos to sine, and I throw in 1. Do you guys remember what I did last week? Do you remember? Quickly let me know. Do you remember? Head nod and head shake. Do you guys remember? Okay. And then for the angles, I told you how to use a calculator to work your way through. All right, no one is going to check. Shift angle, sine angle equals to shift sine answer. I need you to be very prudent and very smart. Look at this question. I'm going to do this one for you, and then you will do the second one. 6 marks. Simplify fully. Sine 90. Please follow exactly what I do. I want you to see how many seconds it will take me to get an answer. Sine 90 minus x. 90, I am nodding my head. Let's put that again. Let's put that up. All right, if I'm going up and down, and if I'm going left and right, what angles are we dealing with again? We are dealing with 0 here. We're dealing with what? 90 there. We're dealing with 180. We're dealing with 270. And here we have what? 360. So 90 is up and down. Can you see? 90 is up. It means, yes, I should change my trig what? Ratio. And sine would become what? Cos. The question is it positive or negative? Don't stress. Once we know this, I'll teach you again how to not use a calculator. But right now, I need marks very quickly. We are pressed for time. Put a 1 there. You see, 90 minus x. I wrote 90 minus 1. Answer is what? A positive. Guys, I have actually gotten 1 mark. Next. Cos 180. Look at where 180 is. Am I changing? You are nodding your head. You see, when it goes horizontally, it's a no. When it goes vertically, it's a yes. So 180, I am not changing. So it remains as what? Cos. But is it positive or negative? Check here quickly. You say cos. This is actually going to be a negative. Why? I'm in the 3rd quadrant. And cos is negative. You see, so we must know that as well. So it's negative cos, but put it in a bracket, plus tan x. Can we change tan x? Sine x over cos x multiplied by cos x over 1 times, look at that, sine x. I'm going to teach you later how not to use a calculator to change all of this. All right? Sine x minus 180. Look at it. Sine x minus 180. Just put a 1 there. It's a negative. And it's 180. Are we changing the trig ratio? No. Very simple. And we are multiplying. Oh, look at the beauty of maths. Look at the beauty. Oh, sweet. Beauty of maths. What is cos x times cos x? Negative cos squared x. Sine x times negative sine x. Negative sine squared x. What do you notice? I can pull out that negative, right? Come on. So what do you have? Cos squared x plus sine squared. And what is that? That's 1. Let me show you that we are perfectly correct, everybody. Look at this equation. I'm going to type it in. Give me a value. I'm going to use 10 as my x. Because if I use 1, some of you think because I used 1, that's why I'm getting 1. Let's use 10. I just want to test if we are correct. 180 plus 10 plus tan 10 cos 10 sine 10 minus 180, negative 1. Perfectly correct. How many marks? 6. Let me mark it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? I am getting 5 just for reducing. And then the final answer, 6. Did it make sense? Junaid, Mandla, Chifiwa, makes sense, right? We're good? Lovely. Are we good, Tariq? Simple, straightforward. You get your answer, you move to the next question. It's 6 marks that you can get before finishing writing your name. Before you finish writing your name and your surname, your class, I'm done with this 6 marks. So please, no room for error. I have one for you. This one was for me. Please do this for me. Another 6 marks. All right, quickly. When you see the cos squared, let me do this. I want to do one for you. Not this question, but I'm going to do something. When I see cos squared, for example, this. Please learn this. Don't worry about the squared. The squared is only telling you that it is going to be positive. So check this. What is cos 180 plus x? 180 plus x, we are in the third what? Quadrant. And cos is negative. Third. So it is negative cos x. Alright? Check here. But it is squared. If I then put squared here, you know what it means? I would come here and square this. And the negative falls away. And it becomes cos squared what? X. That's just what the squared is doing. So, number 1, forget about the squared. Just work without the squared. Change that. If I put the squared, I just square my answer. So, every negative becomes what? Alright, you have 6 marks here. Quickly, guys, you have 5 minutes. It's too much, but get me answers. 5 minutes. I want us to get to other parts today. Get me those marks quickly. Test. You can test your answer. you want to share answers quickly with me? Come, share answers. You have 10 seconds for all of us to share answer. What are the answers you got? Mandla, what's your answer? Chifua, Junaid, what's your answer? Quickly. Can you guys hear me? Yes, you can. Mandla, what did you get? Guys, I want response. I got it, sir. I got 500. Sir, I didn't get it. I'm stuck. I'm still busy. There must be a response. Junaid, what did you get? Chifua, what did you get? There must be a response from everyone. I got 5. I got stuck. I'm lost. Tariq, what did you get? Tariq has a -1. Did you test it? It's not. That means you are wrong. Mandla? Hello, Mandla.
Oh, so sorry for giving me.
What do you have?
I was using maybe every Saturday, sir.
Lumfana. Junaid, what do you have?
So I haven't gotten the final answer.
Where are you stuck?
I'm not stuck, please give me 1 minute.
Okay, lovely. Junaid? Gavin, how are you?
Good, sir.
Okay. You came in late. We are doing reduction now, quickly. Tariq, check where you went wrong again. Since you said it's giving you negative. Let me predict your answer. I'm going to tell you the answer now using a calculator. I'm the maths wizard now. I'm going to become a maths wizard. I'll tell you the answer using a calculator, what you should be getting. What was I typing? Let me do it again. Once you get that answer, please let me know. Oh, I see. I think I see where I made a mistake. So my answer has a negative. Cos 91. So 90 plus x. You should be having negative sine x, I think. I think. This will not give you 1. If you have a cube, it won't give you 1. You don't have to get a value answer. It doesn't have to be a number. Okay, guys. Time up. Let me see if I have another one. What is sine 180 plus x? Third quadrant. That is negative sine x. Did you get negative sine x? Cos 90 plus x is sine x, so that is sine squared x plus sine negative x is negative sine x, and cos 180 minus x, because it's squared, we don't even care about whether it's a positive or negative anymore. Come on. Yes, I was correct. Why are you bringing in cube? What do you notice is common? It's the way you were writing. What do you have? Sine squared x people, talk to me. Given negative sine x. All right, did it make sense though, Chifiwa? Were you close or were you far?
So I was close because the only mistake I made is that the cos squared 90 minus x, I wrote cos squared x instead of sin squared x.
Don't forget, 90, you're nodding your head. Do you remember that head nod?
Yes, sir.
You change. Okay. Given, you're good. Mandla? Okay. And Junaid?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Sir, I just had to leave food to the mosque because we're about to breakfast.
Oh, okay.
So we have to breakfast. Can you just give me 5 minutes?
All right. Run.
Okay.
Okay. You're fine, right? Okay. All right. But you run, you join us. Guys, how do you do this one? I told you how to. Here you just cheat your way to get an answer. Do you guys remember how? Let me do one, because I then we'll go to quadrant later. You are going to do this one. I want to do this one. What is cos 100? Look at, I told you what to do, guys. Don't stress yourself. No one is going to see what you did. Be smart and get your marks. Although it's important to know what's happening, cos 100. Shift cos answer. It still gives me 100. What did I say about cos? You subtract what? 180. Please again, the note is there. I'll do it again. I said cos, you type whatever they gave you, equals to. Now reverse it. Shift cos answer. It's giving me 100, but I don't want a number greater than 90. So what do we do? Minus 180. Check. You are done. Negative cos 80. Next, cos 315. Check. Again, I run through. Cos 315 equals to. Reverse it. Shift cos answer. 45. Ooh, beautiful. Cos 45. Tan 210. Just grab. Check. You are saving time in an exam. No stress. Tan 210. Reverse it. Shift tan answer. Thank you. Tan 30. That's your third mark. Sine 675. Somebody will tell you subtract 360. They are correct, but it's a waste of time. Look, I can do it. Check this. 675 is bigger than 360, right? I'll say minus 360. What do I have? 315. I am now in the fourth quadrant. It's 45. But it's a complete waste of time now. Sine 675. Check. What do we do? Reverse it. Shift sine answer. Boom. Done. No waste of time. Negative sine 45. Cos 150. Cos 150 would give you negative 30. But let's see. Reverse it. Shift cos answer. But I told you I don't want anything bigger than 90. So Negative 30. Sine 170. You got to be smart like that. Sine 170. Reverse it. Shift, sine, answer. 10. Which ones are my special angles? I'll put a tick on my special angle. That's a special angle. That's a special angle. That's a special angle. If it is not a special angle, what do I do? Co-functions. What do I mean by co-functions, guys? Sine 10. Look at co-functions. I want to change it to cos. What number should I add to 10 to get 90? 80. Sine 10 is exactly the same as, once you understand this, once you understand, are we okay there? That's your if it's not a special angle, think what? Co-functions. So I can change my cos 80 to what? Sine 10. What is cos 45? Use your calculator, root 2 over 2. What is sine 30? Use your calculator, root 3 over 3. Minus, what is sine 45? Root 2 over 2. What is negative cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 over 2. Because that's sine 60. And you have sine what? 10. Be careful of the signs. Ta, ta. The rest is story. How many negatives do you have? 3 negatives. So my answer should be a negative, which is root 6 over 6 divided by root 6 over 4. You can put all of that in a calculator, but for me it's just a waste of time. What am I going to get? Negative root 6 over 6 times, I don't want to teach you some maths. Some maths that I can teach you are very dangerous. Negative 2 over 3. I can teach you some dangerous maths. Can I teach you one? Look at. Oh, this is very dangerous though. You have to be very smart. What is root 6 divided by root 6? 1. What is 6 divided by 4? 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. Then because it's 1 over 3 over 2, I'll just flip it. We don't want to teach, we don't want to go there. That's MBT math. Guys, are we okay? Negative 2 over 3. Because I want to give you one to do for me now. I did 1. You will do 1. Let me know, give me thumbs up if you are okay.
Wait, so
okay, but did it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Given. Mandla. Tell me when you're done. All right, Mandla, you also done? Given, are you done writing? Because I have one practice question for you. Okay, here's your practice question. There we go. Let me clean this one. Don't worry about the proving. Just calculate the value of that. Six marks. Come. Given is done. Mandla is done. Chifira, once you are done, let me know. I'm waiting for you and Tariq. I almost forgot I gave you work. Tariq, are you done? Chief, are we done? Okay, guys, share answers. Mantla, what's your answer? Given, what's your answer? Share quickly on mute.
Square 2 negative square 2 over 3.
Okay. Chifiwa? Tariq?
Same, sir.
Same. Huh? What are you doing, Tariq? You need to give me an answer, a correct answer. All right, if we change, what is sine 315? Sine 315 is in the fourth quadrant, that's negative sine 45. Tan 210 is in the third quadrant, that is tan 30. You know how we got all of those things. Sine 190 is in the third quadrant, that is negative sine 10 over, what is cos 100? Second quadrant, that would be cos 80. And what will this be? Second quadrant, sine 60. Now, instantly, negative root 2 over 2. What is tan 30? Root 3 over 3. Now, we have an angle that is not a special. Can I change it? Cos 80 over cos 80. And what is sine 60? Root 3 over 2. Is there a sign that I'm missing? Why am I having two positives? Because the correct answer should be negative. Cos 100, yes. It's in the second quadrant, so that should be a negative there. So all of this would cancel. And what do we have? Negative, what would this be? Root 6 over 6 divided by root 3 over 2. Just put this in your calculator. Don't even stress about it. What would it be? Negative root 6 over 6 times 2 over root 3. So this is negative root 6 over, but can we conjugate? Let's see what we are going to get. Negative root 18 over 3 times 3, which is 9. I remember teaching you how to do this. What's the square root of 9? 3. And 3 here, 1. So negative root 2 over 3. I need us to get those questions right. They are good questions to give us marks. And also, we don't waste time. Use your calculator to reduce as quickly as possible. Learn to quickly reduce.
Sir,
Yes?
for 10:30, we said, I can like those activities, we said without the use of a calculator. And for 10:30, you got square root 3 over 3.
Yeah, yes.
Which means that you put on the calculator. So what the teacher see?
Not really. Because from grade 10, we teach root 2 over 2. So it's actually 1 over root 3. But I can do it without a calculator because I don't need a calculator to do this. You see? Root 3 over 3. You understand? So you can write root 3 over 3, it's fine.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Are we okay now? All right. Now, guys, I want us to quickly... Oh, here's another one. No, this one I did in a video that I sent you, 7 marks. Oh, please get me this one quickly, 5 marks. The last one, then we'll look into quadrants. Get me this one quickly. Let's try. 6, because of the simplification. Come. That other one, I did it in a video already. You can always watch that one. Don't want us to waste time. Guys, are we done? Let's not waste time if we are done. Iyad, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
I'm okay. Are we done with this question, Mandla?
Almost done, sir.
Okay. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. All right. Let's see quickly. What is cos? Now, if you notice cos 42 is already cos 42, there's nothing I can do about it. It's already a small angle. But I'm seeing something here. Okay, we'll see. Minus, all right, look at this. There's a negative there on that 45. So that should automatically become a tan squared. But look at it. If you were to put that in a calculator, they say without using, but relax. We're going to put it negative 45. And that should be squared. All right, that will give you a 1. Because tan 45 in itself is 1. Okay, so minus 1 over. Now, what is cos 132? Let's reduce that. Huh? Cos 132. All right, this will give you 132 again. Then we say minus what? 180. Negative 48. But because it is a squared, that negative falls away. So it becomes what? Cos squared 48. Is it cos squared 48? Yeah. Now, what do we do here? I see numbers that are not special angles. Can I change that cos 42? Let's see. What does cos squared 48 mean? Let me write it out. It means cos 48 cos 48. Right? Okay. Interesting. What do you notice between cos 42 and sin 48? Do you notice that I can use co-functions there? Because 42 plus 48 will give me what? 90. So, can I then change this to what? Sin 48, sin 48 minus 1. Okay, let me return this back. I see where I'm going. What will this give me? Sin squared 48 minus 1. Oh, beautiful. Do you guys remember this? Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. Now, if I move this here, what would I have? Sin squared theta minus 1 equals to what? Do you see sin squared theta minus 1? So this becomes what? Cos squared theta, and my theta is 48. answer is 1. Let me know. Given you got negative 1, the answer is 1. Guys, let me know if it makes sense. Let me know if it makes sense. All right, let's go to quadrants quickly. My target is, oh, look at, I've got so many, but I look, I've got, so, oh yeah, this one I'm looking at quadrants now. Guys, let's look at quadrants tonight quickly. Our aim is to look at quadrants tonight. Quadrants. And bring reduction into quadrants. Now, when it comes to quadrants, I start with what I call a trig bow. A trig bow is a bow tie. And with this bow tie, we will be seeing what the triangles should be in each of this, what the triangle should be like. Oh no, sorry. In each quadrant. All right, what my triangle should look like in each quadrant. So it looks like a bow tie. All right, first and fourth. And then we know this is negative x, this is positive x, this is y, and that is r, y, negative y, r, negative y. And what is it that I need to know? I need to know that sine theta is y over r. Cos theta is x over r. And tan theta, this is very, very important, r squared. This is very important, and r is greater than 0. Let's write. That's all that I need. That's all that I need. That is all that I need. Let me know once we are done writing. All right, now once I'm done writing, how do we put all of this together? So this is what I need for my quadrants. I'm going to start quickly with an example for you. A quick example that I'm going to look at. Given sine 34 is equal to k, I want us to find the following angles. 1, we're going to do 6 of them. But all of them would be in terms of k. We are going to find basic ones, cos 34. We are going to find tan 34. Then we are going to find sine negative 34. Then let's add some vavavoom. It's now getting too easy. 214 Let's add some more of a boom. $754. Let's just make it interesting. It's too. We can put 1,000. Let's put it. Let me just get the correct value. Don't worry. $2,914. Very simple. It's simple. All right. So we're going to see questions like this. How do we approach them? Guys, it is important that you get 3 variables, 3 components. I need my X, I need my Y, and I need my R. But what are the steps? First step, draw your triangle. And when you are drawing a triangle, draw it in the correct quadrant. 34 is smaller than 90, so it's going to be in the first quadrant, and the shape should be like that. Don't forget, it is a right angle triangle. Did I put that there? I knew something was missing. Please, they are all right angles. Okay, that's why I call it a right angle triangle. Now I have my angle is 34 degrees. The question is, which sides do I know? Now let's start our analysis on the side. Look at my analysis. Sine 34. But let's start from sine theta. What is sine theta again? Y over what? R. Now they gave me sine 34. K over what? K over 1. That's what it means. K over 1 is exactly the same as K. So the examiner was hiding the R. Now we found them. So what is my Y? My Y is K. My R is 1. And what is missing? X. How do we get X? Theorem of Pythagoras. R squared, X squared, plus my R is 1 squared. X is not known. But my Y is what? K squared. Let's move this over there. 1 squared minus X squared. Sorry, 1 squared minus K squared, because we're looking for X. Just basic algebra, my good learners. What is X? Plus or minus? I told you when you put square root, you must add plus or minus. Then you go back to your diagram. It's on the positive side. So I'm going to now choose positive. And you are, look, you are so done. You are so done. Because, what is our X? I just want to make a list. What is our X? Root of 1 minus K squared. What is our Y? K. And what is our R? 1. Guys, are we ready? Once you are done with that, you see these 6 questions, you're just playing. There's nothing in this. Oh, can I add one more? I forgot. Let's add 7. Cos 56. Cos 56 degrees. Guys, let me know if we are okay with what I did so far before I jump into this. You see, these angles are the simplest. Let me know. Those angles are the simplest. Are you okay with what we've done so far? Quickly. Any question at all that you want to ask? Let's ask before we get into those questions. Everybody okay? Mandla, Chifiwa? I don't think I got a response from both of you. All right, what's our first one? Cos 34. What is cos again? X over R. Adjacent over hypotenuse, and we're done. What's our X? over r. What is r? 1. That doesn't even matter. We to hide it from them. We are done. Number 2, tan 34 degrees. What is tan 34? Y over x. Do I know my y? K over root of 1 minus k squared. We are done with number 2. Let's go to number 3. Sine negative 34. If you put that in a calculator, it gives you negative sine 34. And what is sine 34? Sine 34 in itself is k. Please, people are going to tell you take out the negative. That's a wrong language. We don't take out any negative. Negative 34 is in the 4th quadrant. Number 4, sine 214. Come, grab a calculator quickly. Can we reduce that? Reduce it. Shift, sign, answer. Check. Negative 34. And that is negative k. We're done. Guys, are we on the same page? Can you see, once you get all your ducks in a row, things become very, very easy. What do you think the next one will be? Cos 754. Let's do that together. Don't stress. Use a calculator. I hope I got the value right, but let's see. Cos 754 equals to shift cos answer. Check 34. Do you see that we're just reducing cos 34? And do we have cos 34 already? That's number 1. Number 6, tan. Please, you reduce it for me and tell me what you have. Huh? Did you give you 34? You sure? Can we confirm? Guys, can we all confirm? Give me a thumbs up if you are able to see that angle becoming so small. That's the power of your calculator. Otherwise, you're going to say minus 360, minus 360, minus... You won't finish the paper. That is the power of your calculator. You've just been so smart. So it gave you 34, right? And do we have tan 34 already? Yep. K over. All right, number 7. Cos 56. Quickly ask yourself, what is the relationship between 56 and 34? They add up to 90. By the way, do you know that if I were to come here, what would that angle be? 90 minus 34, 56. Sum of angles in a triangle. So I know that cos 56, I could use this one straight, or I know it's the same as sine what? 34. Because 34 plus 56 will give me what? 90. And what is that? Because check, if I use cos this, what is cos? Adjacent. This is my opposite now. This becomes adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. K over 1. Did it make sense, everybody? I want to give you one to do for me. I want to give you one to do for me. Are you ready? Hello, let me know. I need thumbs up. Okay. Shoot. There we go. Please do that for me. I'm going to add one or two more questions, angles to that. Hi, Carla.
So, why are we saying 180 plus 34?
That's a new question. It's a question. You solve it.
Oh, it's okay, sorry.
Yeah, so it's 3.1.1, 3.1.2, 3.1.3, and 3.14. Are we done, guys? Were we able to finish? All right, let's see. Quickly, you know what I will do? I will draw my triangle quickly. 34 is in the first quadrant. Oh, similar. What did we do? Exactly. Didn't we do this? Exactly the same. 34. So this is basically copy. You guys were copying my work here. That's all. So I don't need to do much again, but process, that's 34. Now, oh, but this one is cos, so it's going to be a bit different. What is cos? 34. T over what? 1. What is, this is x over what? R. So what's my x? T. What is my r? 1. Now, r squared equals to x squared plus y squared. There's a question I want to give you to do now for me. I hope I would have time. What is r? 1. What is x? T. And so what is y squared? 1 minus t squared. And if I put a square root, I'm choosing the positive one, right? So what is sine 34? Sine is y over r. What is my y? Over r, which is 1. Number 2, were you able to reduce tan 146? What did it give you? Negative 1034. And what is tan 34? Yes?
So how do you know which quadrants are positive for which sides? Is it like the Gauss diagram?
Yeah, it's your Gauss diagram. We're not changing it.
Okay.
Yes, it's not changing. All right, what is tan, by the way? Y over what? X. All right, what's our y again? 1 minus t squared. And what's your x? And we are done. Number 3. I was just testing here. Do you notice I'm in the third quadrant? And cos is negative. Negative cos 34. Number 4. Sine 360 minus 34. That is the fourth quadrant. And sine is what? Negative. And what is sine 34? Please let me know. It's as simple as that. Once you get your x, y, and r, you are done with these questions. Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? Is there any question you would like to ask here? Because if you can do this, I promise you, you can do a lot. Kaola, are we on the same page? Kaola, are we on the same page now? Can you guys hear me though? Yeah, you can hear me. I'm seeing my sound signals. Carla, respond to me. Thumbs down or thumbs up. Are we on the same page? I want to give you one question. There's a question I saw. That page that I sent to you, there's a question that says sine 4. I want to see, can you guys do that question for me? I want to see something. Okay, hold on. Okay, do this one for me quickly. Given if sine 25, though this is a beautiful one, find the value of 10k. Come, quickly. Just 2 questions. Given that sine 4 equals to m, I have 2 questions for you. Then we do the last part of reduction, which is something we're going to take from grade 10. I want you to crack your head on these 2 for me. Okay, let's mark quickly. Let's see what you were able to do. I don't know if I killed you with this question. But it's the same principle, that's the thing. Look, sine 25 equals to 1 over k. What is that? Y over what? R. So sine 25 is in the first quadrant. Same principle, guys. 25 degrees. Now, we know that sine theta is y over r. So it's 1. And my k is now my r and my y is 1. What is missing? X. How do you get x? Pythagoras. R squared, x squared, plus y squared. What's our r? K squared. What's our x? That's what we're looking for. And 1 squared. So k squared minus 1 squared equals to what? X squared. What is x? It is plus or minus square root of what? K squared. 1 squared is still 1. But if you look at your diagram, it's on the positive side. So we stick to the positive one. Now, what is tan? Again, remember the basics. Tan 25. Y over what? X. What is your y? 1. What is your x? Please let me know if that makes sense. Same principle. That's all what math is all about. Understand the principle, apply the principle, and fight your way out. That's all. No matter how they set the question, the principle will not change. No matter how they make cars right now, driving will still be driving. Okay, maybe a bit more AI-ish, but look at this one. Sine 4 equals to m. This is such a nice one. What are we looking for? Cos 94. You know what the first thing I'll do? Can you reduce cos 94 for me? Let's reduce cos 94. I want to see something. I hope I set the question well. Come on. Cos 94. It gives you 94. Do you notice that cos 94, I can actually write it as cos 90 plus 4. No, not plus m. How would you reduce cos 90 plus theta? 90, am I shaking my head or nodding my head? I'm nodding my head. Right? Nodding, because I'm seeing the 90, it means I should change it. Is it a positive or a negative? Put it in your calculator just like that. You should get a negative answer. So this is equal to negative sine 4. Do I know sine 4? What is sine 4? M. I don't know if I lost you there or if you were okay with what I did. I just checked that cos 94 and I changed it to 90 plus 4. And the 90 tells me I should change my trig ratio from cos to sine. Put it in a calculator to get the sign. It's negative. Did that make sense to you? Now let's go and look at what we did in grade 11, grade 10. Let's look at one of the quadrants that we looked at in grade 10. Guys, can I move on? I want to make sure that I'm not moving alone. Iyad says yes. Chifiwa, is that you with no name? Given and Mandla. Kaula, you seem to be off now. I don't know whether you're here. Okay. Let's go back to grade 10. These were the things we were doing in grade 10. Let's answer this question together. Very cheap. Look, we have a diagram. In the diagram, P, which is negative 6 and 8, is a point on the Cartesian plane. A is a point on the positive x-axis, and AOP is theta. Guys, are we good? Can you hear me? Just let me confirm. All right. Now, with the aid of this diagram, the length of OP, you must quickly see that what is that? That's R. This is X, and this is what? Y. So what do we know? R squared equals to what? X squared plus. My R is my OP. What is X? Negative 6, place in bracket. What is Y? 8 squared. So what is OP? If you put all of this in a calculator, 36, 64, that will give you 100. And what is this? 10. OP is 10. Straightforward. Remember, R is always what? Positive. So there's no plus or minus. Now look at the next one. Sine theta plus, what is sine? Y over R. What is cos? If once you know these things, you are good. What's our Y value? 8. What's our R? 10. What's our X? What is 8 minus 6? 2. 2 over 10. And what is 2 over 10? 1 over 5. Check. It is as simple. So the idea, again, it's your X, your Y, and your R. Then you remember that sine theta is Y over R, cos theta is X over R, tan theta is Y over X. Just those basic things, you will be okay. Did this make sense to you? Yes, Kaula?
So for the P value, the x value is negative 6.
Yes.
Where's the, like, which is the x value? Like, on the Cartesian plane, is that?
When we write a coordinate, which one do we write first?
The x. But, like, so where is negative 6 on the triangle?
Okay, I can complete the triangle. Remember, I'm in the second quadrant. So that's my negative 6.
Okay.
Right? Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's the negative 6 there. Okay, and just know that we write x first. So x is negative 6, your y is 8. And then you have your Pythagoras, you're done. Okay, as long as you remember x over y, y over r, case is okay. I'm going to move quickly to the next one. You can take a screenshot. Somebody take a screenshot of this and just send to the group so that you can make reference later. A quick response, a quick screenshot will be okay. Thank you. All right, let's look at. Oh, here's another one. Do you want to do this for me? Quickly. 4 marks. 4 marks. Come, you are doing this. 4 minutes because of reading time. Make sure you read. All right, are we ready to mark? All right, this is just testing your general trig knowledge. You see, they want the value of t and what k. Look at what you have. I have an angle. What is sine 45, by the way? What is sine 45? Okay, look, this is x, that is y, and that is what? R. Okay, if I want t, you notice t is x. So I won't start with sine. I'll start with cos. What is cos theta? We say x over what? So check. What is my x? Will this work for us? Do we know x? Oh, no, we don't know. Oh, it's t over k. Two unknowns. No. Okay, so we need to play a different ball game here. Okay, so we have this as t and we have y. We have y as 3. So we have to rematch. Check. I want to match this. That's what we're doing in grade 10. What is this? Opposite. And what is this? All right. Opposite and adjacent. What would that be? 10. This is completely grade 10. Opposite is 3. Adjacent is what? T. What is tan 45? 1. If you use your calculator, cross multiply. This was based, they took you back to basics in this question. And if I'm looking for k, k is my hypotenuse. And I know this as opposite, so I can use sine 45, which is y over r. So root 2 over 2, that's sine 45. What is my y? 3 over what? K. Cross multiply. K root 2 equals to what? 6. What is k? Divide both sides by root 2. But let's leave it there. We did conjugates. Do you remember? 6 root 2 over 2. And that will be 3 root 2. Or you can use Pythagoras. Because now you have your t. Check. Now you have your t. So we can say k squared is 3 squared plus 3 squared. 9 plus 9, 18. K is root of 18, remember? 9 times 2. The square root of 9 is 3. Dynamics of trigonometry. Talk to me, people. Some little basic stuff here that I need us to remember. Are we okay? All right. Time will not allow us, but let me see if we can do one small one. Let me look for it. One small one. All right. This one is quite nice, but it will take me some time. Okay, these ones are the next one I want to look at. Yes, I want to look at some of this. Yep. So I want to look at these ones in our next session. All right. How to draw the quadrant again, given the angles. Which quadrant am I in? The first, second, third, or fourth quadrant? Guys, I don't know if there's anybody with a question. Please don't forget how to reduce. That is most important. Look at this. Look at this question. See, the first one is quadrant. The second one, I did something similar. The third one, we started with that today. You must be... Guys, do you think you can get me... I'm very jealous of 3.4 and 3.5. Do you think we can try it? If you can get me those... Look at... 11 marks. I don't know if we have enough time. If you can spare 5 extra minutes. Do you want to spare 5 extra minutes? Please get me 3.4 and 3.5. I'm sorry, but I just need to make sure that is solidified. Everybody, let's get this as we close. 3.4 and 3.5. You're doing both of them and you only have 6 minutes. 3 minutes for each. Use your calculator and be smart. And then we call it a night. I just want to make sure these two are in. Ooh, my mic was off. Guys, sorry, I just realized that my mic was off, but did you get what I did? Talk to me. Did you get the whole step? I just realized that my mic was muted. But let me know if you are on the same page with me. That is this. That. I taught you how to get that. This. I taught you all. So already here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting marks. The last one, and you let me know if there's anything you need. Tan 120. If you reduce that, what do you get? Negative tan 60. Which is a special angle. Sine 115. When you reduce that, what do you get? Sine 65. Which is a positive. The question is, do you know how we got those? Cos 240. If you reduce that, what are you getting? Negative cos 60. Huh? Yeah, but 120, I can't have angle bigger than 90. I cannot have angles bigger than 90. Cos 205, what would you get? Remember, an angle bigger than 90 is not yet reduced. Cos 205 equals to that. Shift cos, answer 155 minus 180. Negative what? 25. All right, I only have two special angles. Tan 60 and cos 60. Do you notice 25 and 65? That will add up to what? 90 instantly. All right, what is negative? What is tan 60? Root 3. I can leave this as sine 65. What is negative cos 60? Half. And instantly, that becomes sine 65 as well. Co-functions. That goes. So what's your answer? Negative, negative, negative. You have negative root 3 divided by negative 2 root 3. Is that what you got, guys? Let me know. Given you said 2 squared. Are you sure? Did I make a mistake? I'll just confirm something quickly. Tan 60 is root 3. Yeah, given?
No, you said you're right.
I'm right.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. All right, I'm done, Carla. Your question? I want to make sure everything is good before we go.
So for 3.5 I got the same answer as you, but for 3.4 I got negative cos x.
What? Okay, just respond with me. Did you get cos x in the first one? Let me use the highlighter. Did you get cos x there?
So up until the second step, everything is the same. So I got cos x tan x, negative sin x and sin x.
Wait, you got this step.
And no, that's why it's different.
Why is it different? What did you do wrong? Did you change tan x to sin x over cos x?
So yeah, I got cos x tan x, negative sin x, then I changed it to negative sin squared x.
Okay, even if you change to negative, but what did you do to this cos x and this cos x? Did you cancel them out? Carla?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, you cancelled this. Are you sure you cancelled that out?
So my second aspect is negative 1 over negative over sin x.
Negative?
It's the same as yours, just my final answer is negative cos x.
Why cos? Where's the cos coming from? That's my question.
Is it not reciprocal values?
Reciprocal? What do you mean?
Like when you change it.
Huh? What do you mean by reciprocal? Okay, wait. I just wanted to carry me along quickly. Otherwise, I'll ask you to send me a picture. Did you get this?
Yes.
Okay. Did you cancel this and this?
Yes.
So you are left with sin x. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
What about this? Do you have this as your denominator?
Everything is exactly the same, except for my final answer, I have negative cos x.
There's no reciprocal. Sine only changes to cos when we have a 90 degrees.
Okay, I think that's when I was confused.
Yeah, sine only changes to x, cos, when we have a 90 degrees. Otherwise, we just leave our answer like that. But are you okay with what I did here? By cancelling this.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
And I'm left with that. Awesome. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. Good night, everybody. And yeah, let's see again. Let's talk more on the group for more questions.